You got big feet too? You do have big feet, little boy.
Mommy got big feet.
Mommy's got little feet.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, George. Videoing you.
No, Mom.
Are you singing? Don't put your cars in the water. You can't get them back if you throw them in the water. Do you hear the geese? Got a lot of videos of the back of your head. Wow. It's a hawk. I don't know where he went. There's Willa. Willow. Oh, I hear Grampy. Willow. Over there in the boat. Look, there he is. Do you see the boat?
No.
Look again. Look to the right. Look over there. Look on the other side. Look. There he is. Do you see him now?
Nope. Let's see.
Look.
There's Grampy.
There's Grampy. What's he doing?
It's why Mommy boat.
He's fishing in his boat.
A fish in a boat.
Yeah.
I got my fishing pole.
Grampy's got your fishing pole.
No.
No. Everybody's got a fishing pole but you. What are we going to do about that? Would you like to go to the store and get a new fishing pole?
Caught one. Lost one. Yeah, I caught one. Landed it. I caught one here and it dropped off before I even got it.
Willow. There you are, girl. Sorry. Didn't see ya. You playing the drums? Drums are there? You gonna dance? Do the Pokio dance?
No.
No? Can you say bye?
Bye.
See you later.
See you later.
You're losing your britches, kid.